Hey, what's up guys? Good morning. Welcome back to another video. So this is realistic tsunamis in Teardown by TD, and we've actually watched TD before, so we already know the video is about to be sick. All right, let's go ahead and check it out. If you guys haven't already subscribed to me down below, check out TD down below as well. Homie is passed out, brother. my man had a really late night. Holy crap, this feels like the end of the world, brother. Hey, yo, homie needs to wake up, bro. Is it an earthquake going off right now? We're awake. We're awake. Why are we so small? Why are we so small? How come the TV's so big? Are we a baby? Oh, never mind. We were just kneeling down. My bad. Hey, my bad, y'all. My bad, y'all. My man's apartment is destroyed. Dude can barely walk. I'm confused as to how this ties into a tsunami, bro. Was there an earthquake first that made the ocean go crazy or something? Oh, heck no. Oh, heck no. That noise freaks me out, bro. It's freaked me out my entire life. I grew up down south where there were tornadoes a bunch. Man, when you'd hear a tornado alarm, boy, that, oh my gosh. So scary. Oh my freaking goodness, bro. Oh, freak no. I'm driving. I'm getting in my car. I am just flooring it, dude. Oh my gosh, it's too late for this guy. Go. He needs to go now. He needs to go yesterday. Oh my gosh, bro. Turn. Drive, buddy, drive. Bro, that would be so terrifying. Oh my gosh. All right, here's the cameras. All right, before this happens, y'all think it's gonna be super realistic or you think it's gonna look fake? Teardown's pretty realistic. Oh, that's pretty real. That's pretty dang real. That's pretty dang realistic. If the windows bust out. Yup, there it goes. Wow. Dude, he's so lucky he woke up to that shaking. Oh my gosh, bro. It just consumed everything. Dude, I need this mod. I need this mod. How do I get... I need this mod. I'm gonna play this on the gaming channel, bro. Holy smokes. Okay, so that was one POV. Oh, no. Dude, how did all these people already get destroyed? How did all these people already die, bruh? This is from the bridge POV. Oh my gosh, dude. Get up and get out of there. He ain't getting out in time. No way. Nope. No shot. My man makes it out in time. Bro, and they have no clue. Oh, they're looking. They're looking out the window right there. Bro, imagine looking out and seeing that. Where do you go? What do? You just face it head on? Oh my gosh. Brother, that's so scary, man. All you can do is that right there. If you're this dude, all you can do is that right there. What else can you do? What can you do in this situation? You're not going to outrun it. You know what I mean? Like, your car's already crashed. Like, everything's already going bad. Oh my gosh. This dude's like, hey, yo, wake up, bro. Hey, yo, wake up, bro. A train, I mean, like, I know y'all about to call me crazy, but I feel like a train could withstand some crazy water, bro. Them things are so heavy. Never mind, not like that. Never mind. I'm stupid. Yeah, I'm stupid. And then it gets filled up with water. It's like, if you survive the initial impact, drowning is it's like drowning is your least concern in that situation. Because there's objects flying all over the place. They're gonna hit you, like the train cars are gonna come through and knock you out. Like, it's just all bad. Oh my gosh. Go. Run, run, run. Why would you run towards the water? Bro, why would you run towards the water? Oh, that tugboat is cooked. Is this the initial? No, 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 no. Dog, that's so scary. When that tsunami hit recent, like the last 20 years or whatever, people like climbed up into the trees and survived somehow, bro.
Apologies if these shots are just...
This dude's like, yo, I am out of here. My man said, I am super duper out of here. Oh my gosh. Where's he going? Don't tell me he thinks that's gonna save him. Oh no. Bro, no way that man thinks that's gonna save him. There goes a little tugboat. Jeez Louise, bro. Oh wait, they have like a little bunker. What's a movie theater? Do you guys think do you think that'll survive? No. If it goes up over the movie theater, there's no way. They just gave up. They're like, yep, this is how it's about to end, brother. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. Dude, if the roof comes in, they're cooked. They somehow survived that. Look at that, it just ate the whole city though. That roof's gotta start leaking in, yeah, I was about to say. And if you move those doors, it's gonna come rushing in so hard. Oh, now it's coming in from the roof. Oh my gosh, it's gonna start collapsing in. Oh, that's so scary. I guess you have a chance of survival here for a little bit. The problem is, even if you survive, where do you go? There's no land, you know what I mean? You'll have to just swim for hours, and then on top of that, try to avoid all the wildlife that got brought into, like, brought where you're at. Climb through that hole maybe when the water fills all the way up. If you, I don't know. Let's just see another angle because there's just no way to survive that.
A rare tsunami warning for a time from Santa Cruz all the way up to Oregon. Mass evacuations of Highway 1.
Oh my gosh. Oh, the helicopter's watching it happen. Oh my goodness, bro. Imagine being in that helicopter, bro. Imagine watching that happen in that helicopter. I want to see the POV. Oh, there we go. That's what I want to see. All right, it's coming up. It's coming up. Yes, like this POV right here. Like if you're in a car and you just jet that way, you actually might be able to survive for a little bit. I mean, until something crazy happens. But like, I mean, I guess if you stayed on top of this roof, you would also survive. Or right here. So, I mean, I guess if you're on top of this building, you might survive. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. If you went on top of any of these roofs, you would have survived. That's impressive. This next POV is about to be crazy, though. This is the angle I wanted to see right here. I think this is it subsiding. Yeah, okay, that's what I wanted to see. Look at that, dude. Oh my gosh. So even if you survived, like you're just in complete wreckage, right? Dude, oh my gosh, they actually ended up surviving inside of that store. Whoever built that store needs to get a Nobel Peace Prize, bro. Dude, the amount of damage, it's like it can't even be fixed. Like it can't even be replaced. Boats over there, all the buildings, all the asphalt, everything. I want to see like top down view like this. Oh my gosh. Yeah, there we go. Look at that, bro. Oh my gosh. It just wiped it out. All right, boys, listen, this was a crazy tsunami in Teardown. Make sure to check out DesTD down below. And I will see you awesome, amazing, beautiful people in the next video. All right, bye, guys.